That was the Bear Bowl. That's one of those. That's one of those products. Those. It's not even a gadget. It's on another level. I can't even tell you. I've spent thousands of dollars over the years on hiking and backpacking and camping equipment, and I've gotten down lighter and lighter and more compact. I've increased my skill level so that I don't need as much gear all the time. The more you know, the less you carry. The Bear Bowl, I'm telling you, hands down, is one of those things I have in my pack. It's small enough that I can carry it in my side pocket of my pants. It is amazing. It really is. It does everything that it says it can do and more. Cleaning it is super simple. Yeah. I'm not bullshitting. I'm telling you, unbutton this thing, stick it in the water, whoosh it around, wipe it off, you're done. It's that simple. It really is. Absolutely, absolutely amazing. That's one of those things where I can picture me giving that to the Bear Bowl from Bare Minimum. I can picture me giving that as like Christmas gifts. And giving away for like a birthday present.
We gave one of them away a few
two.
weeks ago.
We've actually given
Okay.
we've actually given two of them away. Yeah.